Yo, y'all go like and subscribe. This part 3, we back with another one. We got Shell and Gar. We trying to make him a star. We got Shell in the cut. Hold on. Her little boy over here too. Hold on. Let me go get a little bad. Wait here. That little nigga. There you go. Hold up. Hey, give me his toy, nigga. Yeah, nigga.
Get him, man. Fight, man.
No, nigga.
Get that
I don't
nigga,
care
man.
about that, bro.
Get him, man.
I don't care about that, bro.
Get him, man. Get him, man.
I don't care nothing about that, bro.
Get him, man.
Man, oh God, we lit on Christmas, boy. Part 3, yeah.
Get him, man. Get him, man. You got the blow. There you go. I'll show you that. There you go.
What? Get my head. Man, we got the whole family in this bed. Now I'm with my girl family. I ain't with my family this year, bro. I'm with my girl family. We turned though, man. Hey, what you gotta tell YouTube, baby? Beat her up, Marcus. Yeah, why you so quiet over there, man? Why you so quiet? I mean, so quiet over there. She hungry. That motherfucker stay hungry, bro. She stay hungry. Who made the house? House about to fall apart. But I didn't put together all the way. Marshmallow hot dog. You said marshmallow hot dog?
And hot dog.
Oh. Lit, man. Ha ha ha. I said I ain't gonna hit no more. I promise I ain't gonna hit no more. I just got drunk and hit my vape, man. I ain't gonna hit no more. She got on to me about hitting my vape. So I just put it in my pocket. We're waiting on. I think that we might have got one thing outside. But you know, oh, Mikey, you want to be in it? Come on. Yeah, tell me, y'all go like and subscribe.
Like this one, man. What do you know?
Yeah, say this part 3.
This part 3.
Yeah, we lit today. Tell them we lit today. Yeah, oh God, nigga don't play. I have my little boy, I have my little partner right there, man. Look at my baby. She wanna act lame on YouTube today, like, I don't care about that. If you wanna hit, we can hit. Whatever you wanna do, I don't care. How you gonna tell the YouTube page? My baby won't even tell my YouTube page. That's crazy. Look at my boy right here, man. Get what? How old you? Your boy 11 years old. Your boy 11 years old. And I'm 19. Look how tall he is. It's crazy. I look like a bad boy. Oh, this my dog right here. This her house we in, just let y'all know. Yeah. My dog living good. Hey.
Them too. School.
try to turn it down? I've been turning it up. Look. It's an ad on it now.
You gotta give me one a pig one. The burner on the
That's for the hot dog. The roasted hot dog.
Here. Al, what you doing on food?
Man, we lit, man. Hey, man, I'm finna go outside with it, bro. That's why all the little kids at. It ain't never grown folks in here. They got shell. They got shell finna burn something up already. She finna make the kids eat plastic. They all gonna die here. They all gonna be out there choking out here. All right, hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. Come here.
I know how to get to that. Exactly.
Man, it feel good outside. Everybody in their pajamas. I'm in my AF codes. I'm in my AF codes. Y'all know I do it. It ain't even cold out here for real. Come here. 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 I love my little girl, man. I love her so much.
Me? They scratch. Yeah.
I think I want one, Shell. Put another one on there for Kenzie.
How they straight? Oh, what do you want? How they straight? Yeah, they do. Just, this is them with the red tip. The one with the red. That one you got in your hand right there. You only got one baby.
Man, we lit. The sun got done fucking up my video, but you know, we lit, man. Too smart for me and my girl, you know.
That one you got in your hand. You get one sport. This the one the marshmallows on or the hot dog? It don't matter. You can do both. DeAndre, give me a hot dog. What you want a hot dog? And some hot dogs. Cook it in the house too.
You gotta spin it. Why you can't just let it sit there? You gotta spin it.
You want to already cook hot dog? You want to cook your own
So it can warm up around.
Oh, yeah, look at that. God, you think that's on fire? Exactly. Can y'all give me a marshmallow?
Hey, fix my camera. Yeah, right there. That's perfect. I don't work for you. Yeah, that's my manager. She do everything for me.
No, the fuck I don't work for you.
Yeah, you didn't know.
Come on, bro.
Busy, huh?
my homeboy.
Right here. Can I get one?
No.
I want mine to be burnt.
Tanisha, you got some more skewers over there?
What a little thing, the little thing you put on.
What is that?
They in the
I
house.
gotta get out my finger. Hold on, man. Let me get my phone. Yeah, but I ain't got a GoPro yet, but you know I'm still making my YouTube channels.
Who is that?
Tudor, come here. We got eating together. You ready? Look, you gotta bite your side while I bite my side. You ready? You gotta bite it. Look, bite it. Look. Look.
What money?
She done left me, y'all. I guess I'm gonna eat hers in mine.
Put the shoes on. And put some more wood in there.
No it.
Yeah, put some more wood. Alex, try to take the socks off and put the shoes on.
Fire done got big.
Is this done?
Bro. Bro.
Is this done? Yeah, that's good.
Back up.
Leah! Back down!
Damn, the whole family done came outside.
Mama, take that first. Mama, give me some coffee.
Oh, we can't get that. You supposed to take the socks off.
I didn't know if he had them. He said,
He said, I need to take my socks off.
He know that.
Which one is for the hot dog?
Y'all go like, subscribe on gang.